Oh, do you do it every morning?
Yeah, the swans will be down here waiting and all.
Yeah, there's 2 swans here.
Come on then, here we go.
Oh, they're so cute.
Yeah, they're lovely.
Look at them.
Come on. Loads, isn't there?
So they know your routine every morning.
Hmm?
They know your routine every morning.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's actually adorable.
That's easy. Hang on, yeah. You have to be careful, them rats run out by your feet.
Oh,
There's loads of rats here now.
oh God, that's a shame.